Hello, here's standard 4.6C, solving equations with variables on both sides. Standard 4.6, I can solve equations with variables on both sides. This is just like last time to solve these equations. 1, use the distributive property. 2, we're going to combine like terms. 3, we're going to move all the variable terms to one side. 4, we're going to do addition and subtraction. And lastly, we're going to do multiplication or division. You got to show all of these. Show. All right. So, question 1. Let's start. I'm going to kind of go back to the color coding before. Let's start with purple. So, we're going to start with distributive property. Left side, then right side. Left side, we do have parentheses, so my distributive property is going to be those. Let's see what we got. So, negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Negative 2 times positive 6 is negative 12. Right? Distributive property on this side, no, we're going to just bring it down. Alright. Combining like terms, left side, negative 2y minus 12. No like terms, I'm just going to rewrite. Negative 2y minus 12 equals sign. Right side, y plus 3 plus 2y. Oh, look, we have y plus 2y. So it would be 1y plus 2y makes 3y. And bring down the plus 3. Step 3, we're going to move all of our variables to one side. I like to move from right to left when I can. So I'm going to subtract 3y and subtract 3y to get negative 5y. Bring down the minus 12, equal sign, plus 3 on this side. Step 4, I want to undo addition and subtraction from the variable side. So negative 5y minus 12, I'm going to add 12 and add 12 to give me negative 5y equals 15. And step 5 is to undo multiplication and division. I'm going to find my variable, draw a line and divide, draw a line and divide. Now I have y equals negative 3. Lots of work for these. You gotta write it all. Don't skip steps unless there is no step to do. Okay? Alright. Next one. Let's start again. Distributive property. I have right here, it's not all of it, right? There's more on this side, but I just want the distributive property. So I'm going to start at that parentheses and move my way to the left till I get a number and or a sign if there's a sign. I'm going to distribute to get 3y plus 21 plus 2y equals 12y. Alright. Combine like terms. On the left, I have 3y plus 2y to get 5y. Bring down my plus 21 equals 12y. Alright. Normally, I would move 12y to the left, but look, it's only 12y on that side. So here's our exception. I'm going to move my variable term, my 5y, to the right. Minus 5y and minus 5y. Let's bring it down. 21 on this side. 12y minus 5y makes 7y. Next would be undoing my addition and subtraction. I don't have that, so I'm going to skip the blue step. I'm going to go straight to the black step, which is undo multiplication division. Divide both sides by 7 to get 3 equals y. Alright. Alright, next one. Purple, distributive property. On the left side, I don't have that, so I can just write 2n. The right side, I do have it right here, so 4n minus 28. Bring down my minus 4. Alright, green is combined like terms. So I'm going to put my like terms together. This side is just 2n. 4n minus 28 minus 4 more makes minus 32. Alright. Next step, the red. I want to move my variable term, minus 4n, sorry about that, minus 4n to get negative 2n equals negative 32. I don't have an undo, a plus or minus, right? Last one is just division, step 5. Divide by negative 2 to get n equals 16. got one more to go. Just scratch that. I don't know that to be true. We have one more on this page. We do have one more to go. All right. Same thing. Here we have, this is our distributive property. Distribute 6g plus 18. I almost wrote the wrong number. Minus, I'm going to call this 1g, just for clarity. 1g equals, oh, here's another distributive property, negative 3g. Negative 3 times positive 60 is negative, or negative 3 times positive 2, 0. Oh my goodness. Negative 3 times positive 20 makes negative 60. And bring down the minus 2. All right. Combine like terms. I got 6g minus 1g to make 5g. Make sure that looks like a 5. 5g. Okay. Did that one. Bring down the plus 18. On this side, I have negative 3g. And then negative 60 minus 2 to get negative 62. All right. So I've just combined all my like terms. Next step, moving my variable. So I'm going to add 3y to get, or 3g, Jiminy Christmas, 3g, add 3g. It's important of writing it neatly, right? 5g plus 3g makes 8g, plus 18 on this side equals negative 62. Then I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides for step 4 to get 8g equals 62 plus 17 make negative 80. And lastly, I'm going to divide by 8 to get g equals negative 10. All right, there's a lot to keep in mind here, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't let me lose you. Please try every step and follow those steps along. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, quizzes. Our next quiz is on the 9th, 12/9. All right, homework. They're long, but you got a lot of space to work. We have 6 on the front and 6 on the back, so less questions than normal, but please try your best to knock through them. Answers are posted. Thank you very much.